Hey guys, what's going on? Remi, Sovran here. Today I just want to provide you guys with a quick tip if you're suffering from lower back pain or you're just looking to prevent any injuries to your lower back. So my quick tip here is that you want to avoid any lumbar flexion movements earlier in the morning. So lumbar flexion movements are anything that would be considered bending over or like bending forward. That would be like a deadlift or picking up some sort of heavy object. The reason being is why we should avoid this is because when we wake up in the morning, our spinal discs are fully hydrated. So when they're fully hydrated, they're more susceptible to stress. So it'd be 3 times much greater stress as opposed to later in the day. So there was actually a research study that was conducted by Snook in 1998, and they looked at lower back pain and nonspecific lower back pain within individuals, and the study basically focused on preventing lumbar flexion movements early in the morning. So when individuals basically prevented lumbar flexion movements early in the morning, they found basically a reduction in their lower back pain issues, and they actually had improvements from the pain. So they didn't have any, they basically suffered from less pain. And then Snook basically later conducted a follow-up study in 2002, which I actually have right here, which basically looked at the same group that they conducted the study on. It was a questionnaire that was administered, and the majority of the individuals still basically were restricting any lumbar flexion movements early in the morning, and they actually still were finding improvements from basically restricting those motions and movements. So guys, that's just my quick tip for you. So looking at this from a practical point of view, you want to basically maybe avoid doing deadlifts or avoid, those of you that are working some sort of job that requires you to pick up something, you want to try and avoid picking up something as much as possible, or just basically maintain that neutral spine, try to maintain a good neutral posture as much as possible. As for deadlifts, maybe you want to perform them maybe later in the day as opposed to early in the morning, just so basically you wouldn't be as susceptible to an injury. So guys, that's just something to consider for any of you that are suffering from lower back pain. This just might be a helpful tip for you guys. And if you guys like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, and also be sure to subscribe to my channel for all the latest news and updates. And also guys, if you have a comment, be sure to leave it below. Okay guys, take care.